Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Nisha coming in with a video today, and today we're just gonna do a quick unboxing, right? We can probably call this an unbagging, but first I did want to show you guys my bag of the day, which is my Jamie in the denim from Coach. Oh my god, I love this bag so much. Like, I love this bag so much. I am kind of mad I didn't get more from the denim drop, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. We'll be doing a what's in my bag on her later, but y'all know how I feel about this bag, right? Y'all already know. So y'all know I told y'all I was getting some more. I tried to tell y'all I was getting some more. This is the City Bucket bag in black. I could not get it. Like, oh, I couldn't leave it. Like, leave it for what? As many black bags as I have that y'all see and don't see. Listen, child, like, I couldn't leave this bag. I could not. Look, it won't come off. I'm too excited. Calm down, Nisha. Calm down. You're too excited, child. You're too excited. Come on, get off of here. And this is why we be like, hold on, let me take all this paper off and then I'll be right back. Because listen, I ain't got my scissors in here. No worries, it came off. It came off. Y'all, I really thought I had to rip that D-ring off, but I did not. But here she go. Got another strap. Here she go. Welcome to the collection, girl. Where your sister? Here they go. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for the black one. So excited. Because, and I'm about to do a video on this one and this one here. So stay tuned for that video. I just wanted to come and unravel this really quick. I love it. It's very spacious. And I think these bags are on, I wouldn't say on sale. Oh, they gave me that oxblood on the inside. Why couldn't it be black on the inside, Coach? I understand. We don't want that black hole. We'll be complaining about the black hole. I get it, Coach. Never mind. Scratch that. But yeah, I love this bag. Like, I love this bag. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm about to do a, I would say comparison, but I feel like I just scratched my, I hope I didn't. I really hope I did not scratch my Florentine bag. But yeah, these two. This is the small town bucket bag and this is the city bucket bag. I feel like people would most definitely want to know what fits in both. We already see that one is bigger than the other, but the setup is pretty much the same, aside from this one having like that compartment and this one does not. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I just wanted to unwrap this really quick because I'm probably about to move on in her move. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye, lovies.